As drone warfare evolves, so does the technology to stop it. Meet Leonidas, a groundbreaking high-power microwave (HPM) system developed by U.S. tech firm Epirus, designed to take on one of the most urgent battlefield threats today: drone swarms. Unveiled during live fire exercises on April 30, 2025, at the Leovigildo Gantioque Naval Base in the Philippines, Leonidas proved its ability to neutralize multiple aerial threats, even under harsh tropical and electromagnetic conditions. Unlike conventional weapons that rely on explosive power, Leonidas disables targets by frying their electronics mid-flight, disrupting communications, navigation, and flight control systems. At the core of this system is cutting-edge gallium nitride (GaN) amplifier technology, enabling compact design, thermal stability, and adaptive performance. With a software-defined architecture, operators can fine-tune the beam's direction, frequency, and pulse in real time, depending on the threat, from single reconnaissance drones to entire swarms. Leonidas comes in multiple configurations: fixed installations to guard critical infrastructure, mobile platforms for rapid deployment, and containerized modules ready to be mounted on ships, vehicles, or aircraft. It integrates seamlessly with U.S. military tactical networks, including FAAD C2, allowing it to function within broader layered air defense and EU systems. What sets Leonidas apart? Near zero cost per shot, ultra-fast reaction time, compact size, and easy modular upgrades, making it one of the most cost-effective and combat-ready solutions in the world of directed energy weapons. It's already part of the Pentagon's IFPC-HPM program, and with successful field tests completed, it's poised for full-scale deployment.